FYP-academy.
Creativity, simplicity, innovation in education.
Today I want to open this PC, but you watched that this PC is not opening. So I go to task and check to see and find Windows Explorer as soon as possible to restart it. Okay, I found and I pressed restart. Now I close Task Manager and check if this PC works or not. Unfortunately, this doesn't happen, and I go to try another method to access this PC using Windows Safe Mode. I choose Task Manager, then I go to File, New Task, and there command is msconfig. Okay, and the new window opens. I choose boot and then safe boot, apply, okay, and then restart. Now you watch that after restarting Windows in safe mode and after clicking on this PC, very fast it is opened, and now I can choose any program and data from drive C, and then after moving it to other drives, I can format and install Windows on my PC. Have a good time, and just subscribe FYP Academy, like and share videos. There will be more and better videos in the future with more qualities and better learnings. Have you good time. Thank you very much. Bye.